Hi, in this video, we are going to see 5 strategies to generate more sales for your Amazon FBA business in India. Let me share the screen. Okay. So, strategy number one. Strategy number one is creating a categories targeting campaign in your PPC ads. What is category targeting campaign? In this campaign, we are going to target products which are in our category and on our subcategory of related to our product. One, we are going to target our subcategory. Another one, we are going to target related products. I will show you how to do this. I will show you some screenshots on how to do this. When you are creating a campaign, you will be selecting manual campaign. When in this targeting part, usually it will be defaultly selected to keyword targeting. But for this campaign, we will have to choose product targeting. Once you have selected product targeting, you will be given with the option to choose categories or individual products. When you have to select on categories in the category selection part, defaultly it will show you suggested categories. Amazon will suggest you few categories where you can target those categories. But by searching here, you will be able to refine the category. By clicking on refine tab, you will be able to refine products based on the price and the review rating of that product. I always target products which are higher priced than my product. If I am showing my product ads on other competitors product listing where my product is less priced and I have better reviews than the competitors, people are going to most probably going to buy my product. So I always try target high priced product and the review rating lesser than my rating. If my rating is 4 stars and overall rating is 4 stars, I will target product in 3-star rating, below 4-star usually. So this is how this campaign will help you generate more sales. You can create a separate campaign for product targeting, category targeting campaign. Next strategy number 2 is creating a campaign for individual product targeting campaign. In this campaign, we are going to target individual competitors' product on their product page. To do that, we will be using, I will show you once again. To do that, you will be creating a campaign exactly like similar. For this, in this product targeting place, you will be able to choose something called individual product. In that, you have to come here to enter a list of ASINs where you can enter your competitors' ASINs. Where do you get these ASINs from? You can get these ASINs from your search term report. You can download your search term advertisement report. If you are running advertisement in the past, you can download it and you can go into automatic campaign. You can open your automatic campaign and go into the search terms and you can find lots of ASINs that have already converted. You can copy those ASINs and you can put it here. And moreover, you can go to Amazon, and if you're selling a mop product like this, you can search Amazon using the common search phrase which is your product is referring to. Then you will find all the results. In that results, what I usually do is I will select product with low priced item than my selling price. If I'm selling a product for 1050, I will target any product listing which is less than my price. Suppose if my product is selling at 149 rupees, I will be targeting products like whoever is selling under 1000 rupees, like 999 product, 899 product, or product in this price range. I will scroll through all the listings and I will open it into a new tab. On the products detail page, you will be able to get the ASIN number. This will take some consume some time. I suggest at least you take at least 100 competitors product to get some good results. To fast this process, if you are using Jungle Scout, you can you can click on the Jungle Scout Chrome extension on this search page, and it will load the details. If you scroll down, you will be able to load more details. I want you to load at least 300, 400 results, and you will be having an option to download this as a CSV, Excel file. Using that Excel file, you can sort the results by the price that you want to target, and you can get those ASINs, and you can paste those ASINs here in this list, and then you can launch this campaign. This campaign specifically targets your competitors who are high priced than your product, and so that people are more intended to buy your product. This is one way of generating more sales. Very few people are doing this kind of campaigns. Now you can also do this by whoever is having lesser what do you call review rates. And you can also, when you're opening a new tab, you can also target products which have very few images. You might have 7, 9, 8, 9 images, where your product page will convert better than your competitors. If somebody is having 1 image or 2, 3 images, you can target those particular product pages. And you can also target frequently bought together, find ASINs in this section as well. Once you identify some winners, if suppose if you are after running this campaign for a week or 10 days, you might come across winners, like each one product will be generating more sales for you. Like one ASIN will give you like 10, 15 sales in that last 10 days. You can create a separate campaign for that particular ASIN alone and allocate a budget, so that it will not disturb this campaign. It will automatically generate more sales from those particular specific competitors. So this is the second strategy. Now strategy number 3. Strategy number 3 is competitors brand keyword campaign. We will create a keyword based campaign using only competitors brand keywords. What do I mean? That is, I will show you a screenshot. You can use a free tool called keywordtool.io. If you go there, you have to choose Amazon, and suppose a brand name called Scotch-Brite. They are selling mops. In this example, you have to use your competitor's brand name along with the keyword that describes the product. Use that keyword and make sure it is in India and English, and hit search. Once you search, you will be able to get the relevant keywords that your competitors are ranking for. Then you can download this you can export this as CSV, Excel file. You can repeat this with all your top 10 competitors and collect keywords and download it into an Excel, and you can filter the keywords based on the keywords which is relevant to your product, and create a campaign based on your competitors keyword. By doing this, you will be able to visible on more, you will get impressions for more of your competitors keywords, and there are chances you will get high likely you will be getting more sales. The strategy number 4 is placement optimization. Here what this means is, Amazon has recently 1 second, I will load the screenshot for you here. Amazon has recently have this option called placements. If you go inside your campaign, you will be able to find this option called placements, where you can increase the percentage of the bid on the product page section. the top of the search page, the first page results, this will be very competitive. This will be, the bids will be high and you will not get more results. If you increase the percentage here, bid adjustments to 200% or 300% here in this product page, you will be able to get your visibility inside the product pages of your competitors. So this is more important when you're doing your competitors keyword campaign, where you will not be visible in the main results, you will be visible inside your competitors product page. So by doing this, you will be able to generate more sales. This is the strategy number 5. Now, sorry, strategy number 4. Now comes the 5. This is what my most favorite strategy. Defense campaign. Defense campaign is for people who have more than one product, for brands who has more than one product. If you're having only one product in your brand, this might not be relevant to you. If you have more products in your brand, you can use this. The goal here is to target your own products. I will show you how this looks. Suppose if your brand name is VMOP, if is this your brand, you can target your own product page. By doing that, you will be visible on your own product page. Instead of allowing your competitors to come inside your page, you can bid higher for your own ASINs, and you will be able to capture more real estate on your own product page. So that the chances you are paying PPC bids for your people to get your visitors here, and if somebody else's products are here, and they might go and buy others product. If you have more products or variations related to your product, you can do a product campaign. In this place, you create a separate campaign for this as a defense campaign. You create a separate campaign as defense campaign and enter all your own ASINs here, and you can increase your bid. If you increase the bid, you will be able to show your products on your own product page, so that you will be avoiding your competitors to steal away the traffic from your product page. By doing this, you will be able to protect your visitors. At the same time, by implementing the other strategies, you will be able to capture traffic from our competitors. Hope you find this video helpful, and hope this really implement. One more thing I want to mention it here. It is not about learning continuously that makes a difference in your business. Implementing the things that you learned is very, very important. I want you to implement these things on your business and want to test this for at least a week and see the results. Wow, if you see the results, it is going to be mind-blowing. If you're interested in learning more about PPC, you can visit this page, my website, amancentral.com/ppc. You can learn more about Amazon sponsored ads here. And moreover, if you like this video, I highly suggest you hit the thumbs up button, and you can tag the friend who might be interested or learning more about PPC in this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, I highly suggest you subscribe to this channel. So I will be uploading more videos in the upcoming days. See you on the next video. Bye.